In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Mailchimp branding from your emails. This is a valuable skill if you're looking to give your emails a more personalized, professional look, free from external branding. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of how you can accomplish this, particularly if you're subscribed to Mailchimp's premium services. First things first, you need to ensure you can access your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Mailchimp login page. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email. This might be the email you used when you signed up or a username you created. Type it into the corresponding field, careful to avoid any typos that can prevent you from logging in. Next, you'll need to input your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so it must be entered exactly as you set it. If you've forgotten it, there's usually a forgot password link to help you reset it, but let's hope it doesn't come to that today. Once you've entered your details, look for the login button. Click it, and with the correct credentials, you'll be redirected to your Mailchimp dashboard. This dashboard is essentially your control center where you can manage campaigns, view reports, and of course, edit your email designs. From the dashboard, you'll want to start the process of creating a new email. Look for the Create button, usually located towards the upper part of the screen, and click on it. Mailchimp will then present you with several options. Among these, you'll see Design Email as one of your choices. Clicking on this option will take you one step closer to removing that Mailchimp branding. Once you've selected to design an email, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Mailchimp offers an array of templates to get you started, ranging from basic layouts to more sophisticated designs. For our purposes today, you can select any template, as the focus is on removing branding. Feel free to explore and choose a template that aligns with your communication needs. After selecting a template, usually Mailchimp will ask you to apply your choice to move forward. Click on Apply to lock in your template and proceed to the editor, where the real magic happens. Now, editing the email template allows for a lot of creativity, but we're here with a specific mission: to remove Mailchimp's branding. If you're using Mailchimp on a premium plan, you have the option to go badge free. This option is what we're after today. As you navigate through the template editor, look for an option or a toggle labeled Show Badger. By default, this might be switched on, showing the Mailchimp branding at the bottom of your emails. We need to uncheck this Show Badge option. Doing so will remove the Mailchimp branding from your email. This action signifies to Mailchimp that you prefer a cleaner look for your communications, without the external branding that typically comes with free plans. After you've unchecked the Show Badge option, it's crucial to take a moment to review your email. Ensure that removing the branding hasn't affected any other elements of your design. Sometimes toggling one option can shift elements around, so it's always worth double checking. Once satisfied with how everything looks, congratulations. You've successfully removed the Mailchimp branding from your email. This small yet significant adjustment results in a more branded, sleek email customized to your business or personal brand without external advertising. Don't forget to save your changes. It might seem obvious, but it's all too easy to move on to the next task without securing your hard work. Look for the Save or Continue button within the editor to ensure your brand-free template is ready to use. To wrap up, removing Mailchimp branding can significantly impact how your audience perceives your emails. It lends an air of professionalism and commitment to quality that generic branded emails might lack. By following these simple steps, you can easily elevate your email marketing, ensuring your readers focus solely on your message, not on third-party advertising. And that's it. You now have a sleek, brand-free email ready to go out to your subscribers. Remember, the key to successful email marketing lies in personal touches and attention to detail. Today's tutorial is just the start. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to helping you achieve even more with your email campaigns in future videos.